Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Retribution hilts. Let's get into it.
For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be taking this one portion of the hilt apart because they are all symmetrical and exactly the same in design. So let's go ahead and unscrew these thumb screws right here. Just for reference, it goes red, silver, the shortest silver screw being on the very bottom. From here we're going to take the emitter apart. It consists of three pieces, this top piece, center piece, and internal piece. Once you get those off, we're going to go ahead and move to the back of the hilt and unscrew both of these screws right here. We're now going to push in on the button to clear it out of the way of the hilt, and then we're going to spin this counterclockwise and fully unscrew it. Rather than pushing from the bottom up, just like this, I would recommend pushing from the top down. This just prevents you from accidentally damaging the speaker. So go ahead and push in on the button again and push down from the top of the core, and it should slide right out. Okay, putting the Retribution back together, we're going to go ahead and slide the core into the hilt. I'd recommend doing the opposite of what I did here and putting the core in from the top down rather than from the bottom up. We're then going to move to the back of the hilt and put both of the screws back in. Please note that the smaller threaded screw is on the bottom and the longer retention-like screw is going to be on the top. When tightening the top screw, please be careful. You don't want to over tighten it. Just tighten it enough to where your button and charge port are sitting securely in the hilt. If you over tighten it, it could cause damage to the button or charge port. From here, we're going to go to the bottom of the hilt and we're going to put the pommel plate in. The threads are going to go on the inside. The next thing we're going to do is put the emitter back on. So we're going to start with the internal piece. Notice that the holes for the retention screws are at the top. We're then going to put the center section back on, and finally the top piece. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put the thumb screws back in. Again, please note that it goes red, silver if you want to put it in the correct order. The shortest silver screw being on the very bottom.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.